In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open all links at once in Google Sheets. If you've ever worked with spreadsheets that are filled with URLs, you know how tedious it can be to open each link one by one. Luckily, Google Sheets has a nifty feature to help with this task, elevating your efficiency and saving you valuable time. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of this feature. To begin, you'll want to open your Google Sheets document that has all the links you need to open. Make sure you're viewing the correct document, as that will lay the groundwork for everything we're about to do. Now, the first thing you need to do is select all the cells that contain the links you wish to open. If the links are scattered across different rows or columns, you can simply click and drag your cursor to highlight all the cells you need. Alternatively, if they are all in one row or column, you might want to click the row number or column letter to select them quickly. This preparatory step ensures you have all your necessary links ready for the magic to happen. Next, move your mouse to the selected area and right-click to open the context menu. In this menu, you'll want to look for the Open Links option. It should appear among the other options once you've right-clicked on the selected cells. Give it a click, and just like that, all the links you selected will open simultaneously in new tabs on your browser. It's that easy and efficient. However, there might be times when this process doesn't quite go as planned. If you find that the links aren't opening when you try this, it's likely due to a pop-up blocker that's currently enabled in your browser. Pop-up blockers are great for protecting us from unwanted digital interruptions, but can also prevent desired actions, such as opening multiple links at once. To troubleshoot this, you'll want to go into your browser settings and temporarily disable any pop-up blockers you have. You can usually find this option in the extensions or privacy section of your browser settings. Remember, once you've completed opening the links, you should reinstate these pop-up blockers to maintain your usual level of browsing safety. Following these steps should smoothly enable you to open all those links without a hitch. It's a simple yet powerful Google Sheets feature that enhances productivity and streamlines your workflow when handling data. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're able to make the most of this efficient tool. Give it a try the next time you're working in Google Sheets and experience how it can transform your data management tasks. Thank you for watching and happy linking.